Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this orthopedic egg crate foam bed. This one does come from small all the way up to extra large, and it is water resistant. Alright, so today we have received our dog bed. This one is offered in two different colors. You've got gray and you've got dark blue. So this one does come from a size small, which is 23 by 18. You got medium, large, extra large, extra large, which is 47 by 30, which is the size that I got because my dog's kennel is a 48-inch kennel. So you can see right here it's very thick, very nice. So it does recommended you wait 24 to 48 hours for it to pump back up. This is an orthopedic dog bed. It has a 3-inch thick egg crate. It enhances the pad resilience and the airy feeling to maintain a long sleep without ease of collapse. So this has been vacuumed closed in order for it to get into a small package. This does have a comfy canvas, which is cooler inside for the summer. The comfy canvas cool side is durable with a durable zipper. This is one bed for multiple use. You can use it for crates, you can use it for a regular bed. It is machine washable. All you have to do is unzip it, pull off the top part, stick it in the washer. So this bed can be used for multiple uses, for cars, floors, inside your dog's crate. This one is a very comfortable, nice bed. Being that it is suctioned up, it requires 24 to 48 hours to puff it up. You can see right now that it is very thin, so you'll just have to wait for the crate to fluffen up. So you can see right here that this is very nice and it's durable. It is equipped with a 3-inch egg crate from foam to provide great support for your animal. In fact, my dogs love this. They do not like to come off of it. The cool face of the middle of the dry is breathable. The canvas is suitable for hot weather and cool weather. This holds up to dogs up to 110 pounds. This is the extra large, which is the 47-inch by 30-inch by 3-inch high. This is a very nice bed. You can see that these zippers are really nice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unzip in this bed and I'm going to show you the memory foam. This foam is very thin right now because it is recommended to let it inflate for up to 48 to 72 hours. It is super easy to put in. It is super easy to take out. This one here, you can just throw it in the washer. Make sure that it cleans really nicely by using cold water because you don't want to damage it. It is washable and it is dryer friendly, so you can stick it in the dryer. So right now I'm just going to take the zipper. I'm going to zip it all the way up and just show you the foam. So inside the foam, it does actually have a bag inside, so you'll want to remove that as well. So I'm just going to unzip this to show you the actual memory foam. It's just like one of those egg crates. Right now it's very thin. We have to wait for a few hours. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for this to plump it back up, and then I will come back and show you how the thickness is of this dog crate bed. Alright, so it's been about 60 hours and it has been setting, and my dog's actually been sleeping on it for a little bit. You can see that it is plumped up. It is very soft. It's really nice. I like the fact that it is machine washable. All you have to do is unzip it, throw this in the washer, and it also is compatible with a dryer, so you can throw it in the dryer. This bed is super nice. My dogs love it. If you're looking for a nice crate or bed for your dog, I would highly recommend checking this one out. This one is super nice and it is super soft.